Today, I'll show you how to block someone on Zangi Messenger in 2025. This feature is very useful if you want to stop receiving unwanted calls or messages from a person, or if you simply need more privacy. First, open the Zangi Messenger app on your device and log into your account. On the home screen, you'll see your recent chats. Navigate to the chat of the person you want to block. If you don't have an active chat with them, you can search their name in the contacts or search bar to find them. Once you've opened their chat, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots or a menu icon depending on your device. Tap on it to open more options. From the drop-down menu, select Block Contact. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to block this person. Tap Confirm to proceed. When you block someone on Zangi, they will no longer be able to send you messages, call you via voice or video, see your online status or profile update. Don't worry, blocking is completely private. The person you block won't get a notification telling them they've been blocked. They'll just see that their messages and calls don't go through. If you ever change your mind, you can unblock them just as easily. To do this, go to your settings to privacy to blocked contacts. Here, you'll see the list of people you've blocked. Tap on the person's name and select Unblock. And that's it. You now know how to block and unblock someone on Zangi Messenger in just a few steps. This is a great way to take control of your chats and keep your communication space safe. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.